Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Mark II Golf Stories, and today I'm looking at replacing the ignition barrel in the GTD. So let's do it. So I need to take off these covers to get to the ignition cylinder on this side. But to be honest with you, I think that's the least of my problems. I think this might be an immobiliser, and looking at the state of it, all these wires with fuses with no ends on them, I think I might have a few problems when I come to try and start it. But anyway, it doesn't matter because I've not got a key at the moment. So I've got the bottom panel off. Let's get the top panel off and get access to the ignition, top ignition barrel. I think I need to take the steering wheel off. So first, let's just remove this centre bit. It pops off. Once you've taken this front cover off, there's this that's behind it, and these two wires come through for the horn. This brass panel just pops off, leaving you this, which goes in here in these little holes on the steering wheel. I'm very careful with them. I use my removal tool here to slowly push it off from behind, and then it pulls off, and that will expose the nut. We'll try that.
Just come and hold this wheel.
If your car has all four wheels on the ground, then you won't need two people to do this. And we didn't have the wheels on, so this is why it required two of us. One of us to hold the wheel, and one of us to loosen the bolt. Yeah.
3, 2, 2. That was easy, wasn't it?
Nice one. So there you go, dead easy to undo that. So there. There we go.
Give it a shock.
And then with a little encouragement, the wheel should come off. Once the wheel's off, you'll need to loosen the 3 screws holding in the stalk. So that's these clips holding it in there then, one at the bottom. So one clip at the bottom, just to come out. It's got the green wires. The red one goes right above it. Next, you want to slightly push down the hazard warning light button and wiggle the column forward. Then release the cables from the clip on the left. It should pop straight off.
Just come off here. Yeah, obviously we have to get that level, and then that can come out, and we can reassemble these two now. Out. So that we don't lose our places on it. Like that. Make sure they sit correct. Like that. Nothing. It's just going to be tight, I think. There you go. Try not to crack anything. Oh, it's alright. Don't worry. Just a pin.
That's what we're saying, Bert. Do you have to drill it?
Yep.
Where?
About there. So I'm just looking at this. So we've got 12mm ish, 12mm, bang in the middle. Okay, and now we're looking at the angle of it. So if that's a straight plate like that, which it should be, you can look at pretty much 12mm.
So 12mm from the end of the barrel, is that, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's
we're
where...
saying that
And that's where we want to drill in order to release the spring clip that holds in the ignition barrel. We used a 1.5mm steel drill bit.
Want a straight.
So do you need me to release it, or have you released it?
No, I need to release it as I'm pulling now.
Oh yes.
If I had to get the grip on that.
You can get a grip on it.
Hey!
Yeah boy!
Look at that, what a shot right in it. I'm having that.
Give it a good clean. Get any metal fragments out.
You want to get all the swarf out because you don't want it to jam up anything.
Always good at blowing.
Okay, so if you look on here, it's like a keyway here,
yep,
and it can only go in that barrel that way.
Okay, lovely.
So, and then you can press the spring, and hopefully, with a bit of force, because there's a little bit there. Oh, come on, baby! There we go. And then
nice.
Push that in. That should lock in.
And then all we need to do is find the keys, ARB.
Yeah.
Whee!
Stick it in. Oh!
Turns. Should we put a battery on, see if we get any life?
Well, yeah, let's just go to ignition 2 before starting, and then we'll see. We'll get the multimeter out and see what's cracking on.
Okay.
So just go to ignition 2, don't try to crank.
Yeah, okay.
You turn it over.
Yep. And to put it back together, it's just the opposite of what we did. So somehow slide this on here. I don't know how we got it off actually. What are you talking about? These weren't clipped, were these clipped in or anything?
No, they go back, and then the screws go through, and they hold it onto the tape.
Stop throwing the ball over!
You good? Yep. And the screws. That's it, I think a flat blade might be better, mate. This little one here is fine, the little electric one.
What to? You've got £112 a month. That's your TV gone on storage. Tell you got £100.
Yeah.
£300 on storage.
Now he's not letting anyone. One's playing and one's
Are we going to ours?
Elliot.
We pop the wheel on. And the final step is just to pop all the bits back on the steering wheel. So make sure, I think that goes through there. Nope, that way round. Yep, that way round. This will need to come through here, and this one will come through there. So brown at the top, from the bottom, and it just pushes in. Next on goes the brass plate. Make sure that goes on this way up with a triangle point at the top. Plug in your connections. Black one goes on there. The brown one goes through this hole. One final connection to connect up. That's this one here. And that just goes, brown wire just plugs onto that. Bit fiddly. There we go, it's on. Should clip on. Well, there we go, that's how to change the ignition barrel. Thanks for watching this far. If you found it useful, please drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe. It was a bit of a bigger job than I expected, but you know, got to learn a lot at the same time, so it was good experience. Thanks a lot, I'll see you in the next one.